la válvula como quiera. Así las moscas, está bueno que le pongan una tapita ahí.
First thing you're gonna do, drop the line. Yep. Make sure the rear goes to rear. There you go. And the front goes to front. One of these Valvoline kits, blue caps, go downstairs. Put those right there. And then we plug in the machine.
Please. También es un 94 y lo ves con él ahí.
Oh, safe. 1, 2.
Yep. Check this out. Get your EVAP. F1 for master cylinder cleanout. Alright, thank you. Alright, clean this out even more. Send it in.
Pull it out, too.
Alright. Fill this back up. We're gonna need that later. Let's stop. Then you find your adapters. And we'll use this one. Lock in place. Get your other adapter here. Ooh. You take your field line, hook it up. Now we scan the bottom. Go through, hit F3. As I scan, wait till it beeps. There it goes. Go through, hit start. Take the old bottle, new bottle in there. That on the side. Alright, take this bottle and throw it away.
So, brake flush?
Yes, sir.
You know how to do this? No.
Alright, you're gonna flush it first. Gotta prime it, F4. F2 for system prime. Hit start. You gotta make sure it's 9 psi or more. There we go. Hit stop, then F3 to start the flush. Flushing, Junior!
Hey, on that 24 millimeter, that the half-inch drive socket, right? Jeremy?
Alright, when the machine stops and beep beep beep, you'll hit F2, master cylinder fill, and let the pit guy know to disconnect. Disconnect, Junior! And he's on disconnect the line. You do not want to disconnect the master cylinder till he gets done disconnecting the bottom. Oh, sorry, Junior.
Good. Yeah. Trash cans, don't worry about tomorrow. We'll come in the morning.
I'm going to show system resetting.
They didn't chew it, they just scarfed it down.
But that's how smooth he was.
Alright, thank you. When he shows clear, now you can disconnect the master cylinder. This is still resetting, so come over here. Tell him brake fluid coming down. Look how clean that is. You're gonna hit stop, hit master cylinder clean out again. And suck it back down. I'll suck it all the way down. Then re-top it off. Hit stop. That is done. Top off your master cylinder.
Look out every day, or at least 3 times a week or something.
Go find a lid for that. In a minute. Joe, hold the camera. I gotta pull the lines. And now you pull the lines out.
You want me to hold the camera?
Just show me, just hold it right here. It's already, don't hit that button on top. Watch this. See, whatever you see in there, that's what it's filming. You pull the front.
Oh, I see you.
Pull the rear. Yeah, I gotta clean that adapter up. Alright, back up, Joe.
I'm a professional photographer.
Put your fuel hose back. We're done with that. Put that back. Right there. Which we don't have. Right, good. Alright. Put this little, there we go. Put this little adapter back in. Little screen. Put the lid back on. Now before you start the vehicle, you gotta pump the brakes. I do about 3 or 4 times. Gotta have the key. Start it up and move it back and forth. Make sure you don't have a squishy pedal. And you're all done. Get you some wash fluid and wash off master cylinder.
Yes, sir.